Hey guys, this is Garima from Idle Doodle again. In this video, we are going to learn how to do faux calligraphy, or you can say how to fake calligraphy. Now, I don't know brush calligraphy, and for the people who think that I know brush calligraphy, people, you are wrong. So I found this technique a couple of months ago, how you can fake brush calligraphy. For the people who know what is brush calligraphy, so basically the brush has this tip which when you are writing, when you go up, it's called as a upstroke, as you can see on the screen, and when you go down, you see a downstroke, as you can see on the screen. So we are going to be faking that and manually creating upstrokes and downstrokes. So we learn in this video how you can fake it. Let's get started with the video.
So here again for this video I am going to be using paper coal dotted notebook and Stedler pigment liners. I'll link it in the description box below. Now here I am using basically two nibs of pen. The first one is 0.5 with which I am writing, and with which I am drawing the dots is the 0.3 nib, because as you can see it was very difficult for me to give precision with the 0.5 nib, so I am filling in with 0.3 nib. So basically brush calligraphy has this one simple rule, that is thin up and thick down. Now for this down, as you can see, I am creating manually and filling in all the thick down strokes. You will get the hang of this once you practice it for 3-4 times. I agree that this technique takes more time as compared to brush calligraphy, but it is worth it. If you don't know brush calligraphy, then definitely you can try this out. You can slow the video in the YouTube settings if this video is too fast for you guys. I am sorry if you can hear any noises. I have switched off the fan and AC, but my dog is moving here and there, so I cannot control that. I am sorry for the noises that he is making. Anyway guys, I am planning to host a giveaway for you guys, so do comment down that what would interest you, pens or sketchbooks.
guys enjoyed this video. In the next video, I will be writing phrases using this technique of faking calligraphy. So please comment down below that what phrases you want me to write in the next video. Till then, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification for all the updates. Thank you. Take care, everyone.